In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Wix 2026 guide. We'll start inside your Wix editor. Log into your account and open the site you want to use. This is your design workspace where you'll install the tool that powers courses on Wix. Open the left-hand panel and select Add Apps, the icon with 4 small squares. In the search bar, type Wix Online Programs or browse to the Wix Business Solutions category and select it. Click Add to Site. Wix will instantly add the core pages you need, including a new main page called Program List. So you have a central hub where visitors can see everything you offer. Next, tidy up that hub. Go to Menus and Pages, then Site Menu, find Program List, and rename it to something your audience understands, like cooking courses or recipe courses. Use the standard Wix design tools to adjust spacing, fonts, and images so the page matches your brand. A clean, consistent look here helps visitors trust your program from the first click. Save your changes, then choose Go to Dashboard at the top to switch into the back end. On the left sidebar, you'll see a new section called Online Programs. This is your command center for building, organizing, and selling your course. Click My Programs, then Create New. Choose Start Fresh or pick a template if you prefer a head start, and select the online course type. Give your program a clear, outcome-focused title, for example, The Beginner's Guide to Vegetarian Cooking. A specific title helps learners understand what they'll achieve. Decide how learners progress. Select self-paced if you want people to move through lessons on their own schedule, or choose scheduled to release content over time, such as a 6-day drip. Set a flexible start date or a single start date for everyone depending on your launch plan. Now build your lessons. Open the schedules or steps area and click Add Step. For each step, like day 1, intro to vegetables, add your videos, images, or downloadable files. Use Add Quiz to include interactive checkpoints. Wix supports open-ended, multiple choice, single choice, and text-based questions. So mix formats to reinforce key ideas and keep engagement high. Set how people join and pay under program settings, then pricing and visibility. Make it public for open enrollment or require approval for a more curated experience. Turn on paid to join and add your price. You can use a one-time fee or connect a pricing plan. Optionally set a participant limit to create urgency and protect your capacity. To boost motivation, enable groups and rewards so students can share progress, and create digital badges like Rising Star to celebrate milestones. When everything's ready, click Publish in your dashboard. Return to the editor, save, and publish your live site. Visitors can now browse your course list and click Join to purchase and enroll. Thanks for watching, and happy building.